The ball joints in your Mazda are an essential part of your car's suspension system, connecting the control arms to the steering knuckles. But what exactly do they do? The ball joints act like small pivot points, allowing your wheels to move up and down and turn left and right, ensuring a smooth ride and precise handling. They bear the weight of the vehicle and therefore are under continuous stress. Over time, they can wear out, affecting your car's alignment and tire health. While many modern Mazdas feature sealed-for-life designs that require no maintenance and may last for the life of the vehicle, it's still best to watch for indicators of failure. So, how do you know when your Mazda's ball joints need attention? Listen for clunking noises, feel for vibration in the cabin or the steering, or watch for uneven tire wear. Regular inspections are vital, especially if you frequently drive on bumpy roads or are experiencing these issues. If you find you do need to replace your ball joints, only OEM parts will give you the fit, function, and warranty you need. Follow the link below to learn more about ball joint maintenance on your Mazda.